What's the meaning of certifiable? Certifiable. Certifiable.
Certifiable. Certifiable. The term certifiable refers to something that can be verified or attested to through a certification process. This process typically involves meeting specific standards or requirements and being evaluated by a third party to confirm compliance. When something is certifiable, it indicates that it is capable of meeting these standards and obtaining certification. This can apply to a wide range of areas, such as products, services, processes, and individuals. Ultimately, the result of being certifiable is often increased credibility and trustworthiness in the eyes of consumers, clients, and other stakeholders.